Hi there, this is the All You Need to Know About People lecture series on the word strong. Kuat, kuat. Strong, strong. Kuat means strong. Let's proceed to the vocabulary. The first word is mengangkat. Mengangkat means to lift. The second word is dua kali ganda. Dua kali ganda means twice. The third word is berat badan. Berat badan means weight. The fourth word is kecederaan. Kecederaan means injury. Are you ready for our sentence? Samson lelaki yang kuat. Dia boleh mengangkat 2 kali ganda berat badannya tanpa kecederaan. Samson lelaki yang kuat. Dia boleh mengangkat 2 kali ganda berat badannya tanpa kecederaan. This sentence means Samson is a strong man. He can lift twice his own weight without injury. Congratulations! You have completed this lecture.